material values, spiritual values, moral values. Okay. So now we have to see the difference between values and ethics. What is meant by human values and what is meant by ethics? Values are guiding principles in life, and every person has his own value system that helps him in his behavior and action thought his life. Next one is ethics. Ethics are moral code of conduct that decide that is wrong and what is right about the behavior of an individual, a group in a society. Next, values are basic belief. Ethics are guidelines or rules set by the individuals. In the difference only you come to know. Next one is every individual has a set of values. And ethics means it is based on moral values. Next one is every individual has a no individual will deviate from his values. Okay. Next, ethics are built on honesty, loyalty, and compassion. Okay. Next one is values are said to be guideline principles in one's life. But ethics are set of rules which are framed by the individual and followed like that. So now you can identify values and ethics easily. Values: life, justice, respect, and education. Belief means human life must be preserved and justice comes from redemption. Next one, goal: saving people from evil and corruption and learn as much as possible. One slogan it is given by some important person. A personal ideal is like the ray of sun that can warm our face as we are pointed towards it. Okay. Important ideals in life helps in heading on in life. Means what? If an individual has framed an ideal in life, he can easily be in a good position to lead his life in that way without much confusion. Okay. Next one, shape your life and experience. An individual can shape his life though the ideal which he has chosen. Next, it provides assistance and helps to the person. Next, it is a motivating tool. Next, helps in understanding why things should be done and how to plan. It influences an individual. Helps in focus in our direction. Helps in facing the different challenges of our life. Helps in shaping our actions and thinking. Next one, helps in making a person better. Gives a substance to the rules we choose to follow. Create a sense of belief. So one more slogan, it is each individual entity, whether aware of the same or not, sets before self on ideal in the material world, in the mental world, in the spiritual world. Next one is